of you. I, Nisha Rai.
Prakriti. Yeah. Guys.
Attention please.
Okay.
Good evening all of you. I, Nisha Rai, along with my colleagues Garima, Abhinav, Shrey, Arun and Ujjwal would like to present our presentation on the customer service.
Why is he laughing?
So he's always like that. Would like to present our presentation on customer service. Customer service in UK, the customer is regarded as a king. For them, unlike in India, where the customers are not treated very importantly, in UK the customer is a very valuable person and they treat him or her like a king. So the follow-up would be given by Varun.
Okay, hi, good evening friends, and I'll tell you about the relationship between the customer and the agent whenever the customer used to call the agent for support. Basically, what does that term mean, the customer? The name itself says it's us to me. We all are the customers. The various types of customers are like business professionals, teachers, students, old men, etc. And basically the nature of customer varies from customer to customer. Some of them are talkative, some of them are angry, some of them show that they know it all, and some of them are indecisive, and some of them are suspicious. But the agent always treats the customer as the king, and the agents are always attentive. They always take their every call as it is their first call, and the agents have to keep their rate of speech low. Now, more about the agents, my friend Garima will tell you.
Hello friends, I'm here to represent the role of the agent. So, agent must be polite, courteous, and he must know that the customer is the king. Okay? So, should we take an example?
By a mock call. Okay.
Okay?
Ring ring.
Hi, this is Abhimanyu. Thank you for calling BG. How may I help you today?
Here, Abhimanyu plays the role of the agent. We call a perfect call opening. Now,
Hi Abhimanyu, this is Nisha and I'm facing a very big problem from yesterday. I'm not able to connect my internet at all.
here's the Nisha, there's the customer who having the issue regarding the call and he's telling to our BT agent. Okay?
Alright ma'am, so as I heard that you are facing a problem in connectivity of the internet to your desktop, am I right?
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Here our agent plays the role of the active listening. Okay? Now next would be a paraphrasing.
Okay, Abhimanyu, actually, I like your name so much. And where do you belong from?
Ma'am, I belongs to India.
Okay, actually, I just had my divorce yesterday, and plus I'm having so much problem in my house also. And I called you because I was trying to connect my internet. I have my internet connection, but I'm not able to connect it. I also have Wi-Fi at my home, but my internet is not connecting. And I'm very depressed right now. I don't know what to do.
Alright ma'am, I do apologize for the inconvenience you are facing just because of us, and I will make sure that I will resolve your problem in this call, alright?
This we call a paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is a link between the customer and the agent, through which we build the relationship between the customer and the agent. So we make our customers the priority and make us customer to be comfortable. Alright? So the apology depends upon the situation. Right? If the customer is irritated, we must apologize first. And if the customer is easier, smooth, okay, we apologize later.
Alright ma'am, so now could you please tell me what is the error you are getting when you are trying to connect the internet to your desktop?
Actually, whenever I connect my internet, it always show you are not able to connect to the internet. There is a not. They always show the red mark, exclamatory mark on the internet connection. And whenever I try to open the page, it always shows that you are not able to connect the internet. Please try again.
Alright ma'am, so can you see there anything like troubleshooting? Troubleshoot the problem or troubleshooting?
Okay, actually I don't know about the computer much. I can't see anything here. You are not dictating me the actually answer properly. I'm not able to see anything right now.
Okay ma'am, now what I want you to do is just click on connect button.
Connect where? It is
Connect.
I actually don't know where to connect the internet.
Ma'am, can you see there any option, any symbol like networks, fibers?
Okay, it is.
Please click on that.
Okay.
Okay, so can you see there any button like connect?
Okay, it is.
Please click on that.
Okay. Now it's showing connecting internet.
Okay. So is it connecting, ma'am?
Okay, it is connecting now. Just give me a minute. I should check it. It's not connecting now. What should I do? It's causing problem.
Okay, so ma'am, can you see there troubleshoot the problem? Pop-up troubleshoot the problem.
Okay, it is.
Ma'am, please click on that.
Okay.
So what is coming on your screen? Can you please let me know?
Okay, it's connecting now. Okay, thank you so much.
Alright ma'am, so what I've done today for you, you're having a problem regarding the connectivity of the internet to your desktop, am I right?
Yes.
And I help you out to connect the internet to your desktop, am I right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright ma'am, so is there anything else I may assist you with?
No, thank you so much.
Alright ma'am, thank you for calling BT. You're talking with Abhimanyu. Have a great day ahead.
Okay, thank you so much.
This is an example regarding the concern between the customer. This is a conversation between customer and agent. Here we see the call opening, where the customer treat the customer as a greeting. Okay. Second, we have the active listening, where the agent is to listen first to the customer, what he's asking for. Now we have the paraphrasing. Paraphrasing where we learn that the customer builds the link between the customer and the agent, where he makes our customer to be comfortable, to be lenient. Second, the verification. Here the verification means that we are asking about the customer name, address, and order ID, something else that's
So
related
wait, now
to the...
we would want Shreya to explain rest of the points.
Alright, my name is Shrey. Hi everyone. And
That's okay. You don't need to help. Why are you helping him?
call opening. Call opening, we have to open the call while talking to the customer. Next point, active listening. When customer is talking, we have to listen to customer carefully, so that there is no communication gap between both of us, and we can resolve his problem, his or her problem. Okay. And second is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means we have to repeat whatever the customer is saying, so that to confirm that whatever problem he is saying, it's correct or not.
Look at the audience, you're not talking to them.
And then we have to apologize.
Look at them again, you're looking at me.
And then we have to apologize that because of BT that you are facing this problem on your handset, mobile, anything. And probing. In probing, we have to put the call on hold.
In probing, we have to put the call on hold. Wait. Why are you holding? Wait, Nisha, I'm watching. Okay? Okay. If I see you mumbling and jumbling, then Abhimanyu as well, I'm watching you. So, yeah, explain to them.
Okay. In probing, we have to ensure the customer that your problem will be resolved, and for that we need time.
So what is resolution then?
We tell them these are the steps you have to follow to,
In resolution, we tell him that these are the steps you need to follow.
yeah, to resolve this problem. We
So
give them
customer will
resolution.
resolve the problem, or
No,
you
we will resolve the problem.
Okay. So what is probing?
And we
What
will
is
put the
probing?
call on hold.
What is probing? Okay, Abhimanyu, I'm watching. If I see you, yeah, probing. No, Varun. Don't look at them.
In probing only, we just tell them about, we just brief them about the, what is the problem.
So what is paraphrasing then?
Paraphrasing, we just listen to the customer, we just repeat whatever the complaints he is giving us, so that there is no communication gap between the customer and the
So
agent.
there was a difference between probing and paraphrasing.
Probing, we get the, after paraphrasing, we get the idea that how, what is the problem of the customer.
Okay.
So that's how we probe him.
So what do we do in probing? That's the question. Tell
We
me.
guide him the steps.
We guide him.
Yeah, we
in
guide
probing,
him.
we guide him that that's what you have to do. Okay. Okay, move on. Move on.
And then we put the call on hold and we ask
And what's the
him,
whole procedure? What do we say when we place the call on hold and when we come back?
Sir, may I put your call on hold for
Okay.
2 minutes?
Okay.
And then after unholding, if he allows, after unholding, we say that thank you so much for thank you so much for being on hold. I appreciate your patience.
Okay.
And after that, summarize. We get if we get the resolution. After we get the resolution, we summarize that. Is there anything you want?
What do we do in summarization? I'm sorry.
We offer in these services that these as you are the valuable customers.
So in
of BT.
summarization, we offer him services. So what do we do in summarization?
No, if his if his problem is resolved, then we tell him that okay, after coming to further assistance.
No, summarization I'm asking. I'm not asking for this.
No, ask him that whether your services, whatever BT is providing, is working properly or not. Whether
In
it can be
summarization or in further assistance?
in summarization. Further assistance, we will tell him that we will tell him about the valuable products, assist for him as he is the customer.
And what we no, I'm getting confused now. I mean, did we? Okay, so you are saying that in further assistance we will offer him further assistance. We'll ask him for the services. So what exactly will we do in summarization? Give me a statement. Summarize. You summarize. Give me a statement. Say
Okay.
something to summarize.
If a customer comes to me
Okay.
taking any problem of his telephone, like his network is not working.
Okay.
So I will tell the customer in summarization that now your network is working properly. I'm gonna ask him. He's gonna say that okay, fine, my network. I'm gonna guide him that sir, next time you won't face any problem from the BT, and then I'm gonna tell him about the further assistance that you are the valuable customers of BT. So I'm gonna provide you free roaming or something like that.
Okay.
Different schemes.
Okay.
And then
When I
we
asked you
call.
this question
Thank you so
about
much for calling
probing,
me.
actually, probing. So if you look at the chart properly, if you look at the chart, I mean, so your teammates have already mentioned on the chart, close questions. You see that?